Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll be solving problems on laws of indices. Now, in previous video, we have seen different laws of indices. Now, we'll quickly revise them one by one. What are they? So, they are, the first law says multiplication law, and it goes like this way: a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n. So what you will do, you will write base as it is and you'll just add the power, so it will become a to the power m plus n. Second law we are having is a division law. It says a to the power m divided by a to the power n. So what you will do, you will write the base as it is. The base should be same for both the laws, and then you will simply subtract the power, so it will become a to the power m minus n. The next law, it says power of 0. So any variable or a number, if it is having a power 0, so answer is always going to be 1. Next we are having is a power of brackets. So now suppose if you are having a number which is having a power, so a to the power m, and it is having the whole power n. So what you will do, you will write that variable, that number as it is, and you will simply multiply the powers, so it will become a to the power m multiplied by n, or else you can say a to the power m n. In between there is nothing but a multiplication sign is there. Next we are having is a inverse indices or law. So how it goes, or you can say negative indices. So a to the power minus m. So what you will do, you will take a inverse of it, so it will become 1 divided by a to the power m. Now negative power will become positive. Why? Because we are taking an inverse over here. In the next and the last one, which is like used for higher grades, not for lower ones, but then too we'll see one or two example based on this. So what it says, a to the power m divided by n. Now the power is in the fraction form. So what it says, the denominator will become a root and the numerator will become its power. Okay, so now let's see the example based on. Let's see first example. It says you have to simplify it completely. So first problem we are having is x to the power 2 multiplied by x to the power 3. So the condition is base should be same. So our base over here is x. So I will write one time, and then since it's the multiplication, so I will add the power. So it will become 2 plus 3, which is equals to x to the power 5. Now the next one we are having is p to the power 7 divided by p to the power 3. Now again the condition is base should be same. Now my base is p, and since it's a division, so we will subtract the powers, so it will become 7 minus 3, which is equals to p. You will write one time, and 7 minus 3 gives you 4. So your final answer will be p to the power 4. Now the next step we are having is 2x to the power 4 and the whole bracket to the power 2. Here we are not having only x alone. With x we are having 2 also. So you can write like this way also, 2 multiplied by, for easy understanding, x to the power 4 and the whole bracket 2. Now if you are having the whole bracket 2, which means you will double the power or you will square it. This 2 is for these two also, and this x to the power 4 also. So for for this it will be 2 to the power 2 multiplied by, and then x to the power 4 multiplied by 2. So 4 2s are 8. So it will become x to the power 8. Now the next step, 2 square is 4, and then this x to the power 8 you will write as it is only. So whenever you are having a problem like this way, so the outside power will apply for each and every term which will be inside the bracket. Now the next, let's see another example. So over here again we have to simplify this. So what I will do, I will first multiply number with number. So I'm having 6 and 4. So 6 4s are 24, I will write as it is. Then variable, first variable I'm having h, so I will write h one time, and since it's a multiplication, so I will add the powers. So 3 plus 4 will be 7. The next variable I'm having m, so I will write m, and again you will add the powers. 6 plus 5, 11. So this will be my final answer. Now in the next we are having division, so we have to apply a division rule. So first you will divide number with number. So I will divide both 12 and 3, they comes in 3's table, so I will divide 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So what I will do, I will write 4 over here. If 1 is coming in the denominator, then we do not write it. So 4 you will write as it is. Then variable I am having first is x. I will write x one time, and then 5 minus 2 will give me 3. Then next variable I am having y. So I will write y one time, and 7. And over here for y, this y, there is no power is given. So if nothing is given, which means 1 is there. So 7 minus 1 is 6. So my final answer will be 4 x to the power 3 and y to the power 6. This will be my final answer. Now see the next one. Work out the values of the following. Now over here you have to find the values for each question. So now over here, the first it says 5 to the power 0. So we know the rule, power of 0 rule. What it says, if any number or any variable is having a power 0, your answer will always be 1. So my answer will be 1. That's it. Now next we are having 5 to the power minus 3. Now it's a negative power rule, or you can say inverse rule. So what we do, we take a reciprocal of it, so it will become 1 divided by 5 to the power, now negative power will become positive 1, so it will be 1 divided by 5 to the power 3. Now we have to simplify this because we have to find the value. So you can't keep it like this way. They don't want the answer in the indices form, they want a final value. So what you will do, 1 divided by 5 to the power 3, or 5 cube is 125. So you will write 125 over here. So this will be your final answer. Now next we are having 16 to the power 3 divided by 2. Now it's a fractional form or fractional indices. So what you will do, the denominator, now denominator I am having 2, so this will become root of it. So we do not write 2 over here. We understood that it's a root, and then 16 will go inside, and this numerator will become the whole power. So it will be like this way. Now square root of 16 is 4 and the whole power 3. Now 4 cube is 64. So this will be my final answer. Find the value of y. So over here, what I will do, I will first write this side as it is, 7 to the power y multiply by 7 to the power 3, which is equals to, now over here I am having bases 7, so I will write 7 one time, and I will add the powers because it's a multiplication rule. So 4 plus 5 will give me 9. In the next step, what I will do, I will send this 7 to the power 3 to that side. So it's here, it's in the multiplication. So if I will take to the that side, it will go in the division. So what it will become, 7 to the power y equals to 7 to the power 9 divided by 7 to the power 3. Now in the next step, this 7 to the power y will be as it is, and this base I am having 7, so I will write one time, and 9 minus 3 will give me 6. So now over here, if you will see, you are having 7 to the power y is equals to 7 to the power 6. So my answer will be this, that is y is equals to 6. This will be the value for the y, 7. Now see the one in the last example. So I'm having over here question as, write a simplified expression for the area of a rectangle below, and the length and the width is given. So the area of a rectangle formula, of a rectangle we know is L into B, that is length into width or breadth we can say. So length I am having 4a to the power 3 multiplied by 2a square. Okay, so now number you will multiply 4 into 2, 4 2s are 8, and a to the power 3 multiplied by a to the power 2. You will write a one time, and since it's a multiplication you will add the power, so 3 plus 2 is 5. So my final answer for the area of a rectangle is 8a to the power 5 centimeter square, since it's a area. So that's why you will write square. See, in today's video, whatever questions we have solved, so all those questions are exam based questions. In the exam, they'll be asking you question in this form. So do let me know if you want to know about any other concepts or any other topics. I will try to make a video on that. Hope you all have enjoyed today's learning. Thank you so much.